I mean, Canada Dry Ginger Ale is great to know, but why settle for store-bought when you can make your own cranberry ginger ale at home instead? Made with just 6 simple ingredients and a huge improvement in terms of flavor. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how easy it is to make your very own ginger ale at home. Hi, my name is Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. And today, as you may have guessed, we are making some homemade cranberry ginger ale. Now, if this sounds like the kind of drink that you would like to try out this holiday season, or you're just simply sick and tired of what store-bought ginger ale has to offer you, then please give this video a like. And if you are new here and you are enjoying what you are seeing here so far, then please smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified whenever I make a new baking tutorial or short. I make new baking content every week, and my content is suitable for beginners and experienced bakers alike. So if that sounds like you, and you don't mind a little bit of self-deprecated humor sprinkled here and there from time to time, then why don't you stick around for a little bit and make yourselves comfortable. And who knows, you might actually learn something from me too while you're at it. So did you know that Canada Dry Ginger Ale doesn't have any actual ginger in it? See? And this is yet another reason why you should really consider making your own ginger ale at home. So unlike most ginger ale brands that you'll see out there, today's cranberry ginger ale recipe is made with simple ingredients, and not only does it have the real cranberries in it, but it also has the real ginger in it as well. And that is the most important thing about this recipe. This cranberry ginger ale recipe makes enough for 2 batches. So just like with any other holiday drink such as sorrel, you can totally keep one drink for yourself and use the other drink to take to your next holiday gathering, or you can use it as a gift if you prefer. So let's roll up our sleeves and when we go get started on this ginger ale now, shall we? Oh, and by the way, today is little Ambrose's birthday today, and that is why I had brought him along for today's video. That, and he's also a really big fan of fruit as well, and today's drink kind of does look like sweet blood in general when you really think about it, so of course he's going to get a really huge kick out of this drink as well. So why don't you wish my little baddie boy a happy birthday today, and I'll see you over there in the tutorial, yeah? To get started on the cranberry ginger ale, we are first going to start things off with the cranberry syrup, since that's the quickest. So, to a medium-sized pot, add in 1.5 cups or 300 grams of granulated sugar and the zest of 2 oranges, and using your fingers, rub the sugar and the zest together until the sugar has been fully infused with the orange. Then add in the juice of half an orange, which is about 4 to 6 tablespoons, depending on the size of the orange, 1 cup or 240 milliliters of water, and 12 ounces or 340 grams of fresh cranberries, and stir everything together. Cook the cranberries on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cranberries start to pop and the cranberries have softened a bit. Remove from the heat and allow it to cool down for half an hour before straining the liquid from the cranberries. Pour the cranberry syrup into a large heat-safe jar. You should have around 460 grams of cranberry syrup, which is just under 2 cups. Set this aside to chill in the fridge while you go make the ginger syrup. As for the leftover cranberries, please don't discard them, as this can still be used to make some cranberry sauce. Simply add some water or orange juice to them and puree it, and you'll be good to go. For the ginger syrup, peel the skin off a pound's worth, or around 454 grams of fresh ginger, and then finely chop your ginger into medium-sized dice. Place the chopped ginger into the same large pot as before, and there's no need to wash it out or anything, unless it's like super dirty or something. It's all going to be in the same drink in the end, so a little cranberry never hurt anyone, am I right? Then add in enough water to cover the ginger, which for me is usually around 4 cups or 960 milliliters. Place the ginger on the stovetop and cook it over high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes before steeping it for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if you want an even more potent ginger flavor. Strain the liquid from the ginger over a large bowl and try to push as much of the liquid from the ginger as you can to get even more flavor out of it. Pour the ginger water back into the pot and add in 3 cups or 600 grams of granulated sugar and stir together until combined. Place the pot back on the stovetop over medium-high heat and allow the sugar to dissolve before adding in back your ginger. Cover and cook your ginger for about 60 minutes or until the sugar syrup has thickened. And yeah, you are probably thinking that this is just another excuse to make candied ginger. And yeah, while it is true that this is essentially like making candied ginger, but I promise you that this is just ginger syrup that we are making here. The cooked ginger is just there to add even more kick to the syrup as it cooks. Once the syrup has thickened and the water has reduced down considerably, strain the liquid from the ginger. And you know what? There is still a bit too much liquid in here, so I'm just going to reduce it down a bit without the ginger and see what happens. So I'm going to try to reduce this liquid down to about 3 cups, and hopefully that should make it thick enough. Let's pour it back in and, 698 grams. So it's a little under 3 cups, but that should still be okay. As for this leftover ginger, yeah, you caught me. This was totally an excuse to get some more candied ginger out of it. So if you want to learn how to make this yourself and to get some use out of your leftover ginger, check out my short that I did on learning how to make your own candied ginger. The link to that can be found in the description box down below. And back to the ginger liquid. Pour the ginger liquid into a large heat-safe container and cover and chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until you are ready to make your drink. Once both of your syrups have chilled, it's time to make the ginger ale. A scale will be very useful here since this drink is all about a delicate balance of syrup to soda ratio. For this recipe, we're using 1 part syrup to 3 parts soda. So, to a very large bowl, add in 256 grams of your cranberry syrup and 384 grams of your ginger syrup and stir together to combine. Then add in 1,920 milliliters of your club soda and wait, hang on. Ah, yes, the sweet, sweet sounds of that carbonation. And check out the bubbles in this too. This is what's going to make our ginger ale into an actual carbonated drink. So pour that entire bottle in. Well, technically almost the entire bottle. And just watch as our simple syrup transforms into a fizzy drink. Stir everything together. And since this is way too messy to pour into a bottle directly from the ladle, we are going to pour everything into a large jug. Get one that's at least 2 liters in size. And then, once in the jug, carefully pour everything from the jug into the soda bottle. And you have your very own homemade cranberry ginger ale. See? I told you that this would be a very easy and flavorful recipe. Of course, you can easily increase the syrup to a 1:2 ratio if you prefer an even stronger kick of cranberry ginger in your drink. But the ratio that I had used isn't too bad, I guess. You can enjoy this drink on its own or with some sugared cranberries and rosemary for a little extra kick to your drink if you like. I really hope that you enjoyed this cranberry ginger ale, you guys, and that you never have to go back to store-bought ginger ale ever again.
And there you have it, cranberry ginger ale. Simple to make and much more flavorful than the store-bought cranberry ginger ale. This is the perfect drink to spice up your next holiday party. You could also enjoy it by yourself if you prefer, but to be honest, this drink is best served when you're surrounded by good company. Cheers! Oh yeah, you can definitely taste the ginger in this. And the tanginess of the cranberry does mellow it out a little bit, but you can definitely tell that this is much more fresher and more authentic tasting than the store-bought kind. You're definitely gonna love this drink.
So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's recipe and you like what you see here and you were excited to try out your very own cranberry ginger ale for yourself, then please give this video a like and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of them, especially if you're going to give this recipe a try. Share this video so that others can also try their hand at making their own cranberry ginger ale for themselves. And if you're not already following me, but you enjoy the baking content that I do on here, then please smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified whenever I make a new baking tutorial or short. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both usernames are Tiff's Patisserie, and the full written recipe to today's cranberry ginger ale will be on my website, tiffspatisserie.wordpress.com. The link to that is in the description box down below. And until next time, you guys, stay safe out there, peace out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Now, if you don't mind, me and birthday boy here are about to sip on some blood ginger ale for ourselves. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!